Life is beautiful, but death is inevitable. Raising these chickens, I got to see life and death firsthand. I nurtured the chicks right until the end, and then I ended the very lives I raised. But the spilling of their blood was necessary for the feeding of my family, my wife, my children. These chickens are of great value to me. Those chickens' lives served a purpose. I'm so thankful for each and every one of these birds. And I am thankful to the God who created those chickens to serve a purpose. Leviticus 19, Psalm 99, and Revelation 4 teach us God is holy, holy, holy. Romans 3 teaches us that we are not holy. In fact, we sin against the holy God who made the heavens and the earth. God has given us commands, and we break them every day. And Romans 6 says the wages of that sin is death. We are all going to die. We all deserve to die. But John 3 teaches us that God sent his Son to die in our place. He promises his children that we will not die, but have everlasting life. But death still comes to us. It is not merely death. 1 Thessalonians 4 teaches us when a believer, a Christian, a child of God, when we die, we merely fall asleep because we have been forgiven of all our sin. So the punishment of sin, death, and eternal damnation from God is completely satisfied. But how? What happened to our sin? Romans 5 teaches us that all the wrath of God was placed on his Son, Jesus Christ, a man born of a virgin, a descendant of the great King David, God in the flesh. When he died on the cross, God treated Christ, his own Son, his own image, as our sin, and he killed it. And so Christ is called a sacrifice. His life served a purpose, and by the spilling of his blood, he was able to save and forgive his people. But because Christ is God, he could not stay dead. He rose from the dead on that very first Easter morning, and then he ascended into heaven, returning to his throne of glory, but not just as the image of God, as the King of the earth. And now he rules the world as its rightful king, expanding his kingdom until one day every knee has bowed before him. He is the King of glory. But what about you? Can I tell you something? Jesus in Matthew 10 teaches us that his followers are more valuable to God than birds. Your life is not like these chickens. Sure, atheists and evolutionists might tell you life is relatively meaningless. We're born to live and then die and then that's it. But it's not. You are not a chicken. You are a human, made in the image of God, with a soul, with a body. You are a living person. And that's why Jesus offers you salvation. He doesn't offer that to a chicken. He says, "Come, weary, I will give you rest. Come, dirty, I will wash you. Come, sinful, I will forgive you. Come, broken, I will heal you. Come, bloody, I will make you new. Come to Christ today, experience the forgiveness he freely offers, and begin a new life, the life of a Christian, a child of God. You are of much more value than a chicken."